I missed. Hopefully my other one recorded, because it was wild. And this lives up to, if this is half as wild as that other one, this is going to be a great race. We're doing leader outside the cones. There's a cone section there. There's a cone section. It's going to be up here in a second. Let's go. Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. The other cone section is right there. All right, we gotta file in, because we are gonna be thrown to the back very quickly otherwise. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. Okay, there's, yep, okay. All right, great. Great, good, okay. All right, yeah, leader outside the cones. Every time a person who is in first place hits one of these cone sections, they have to take that. It helps keep people bunched up so that we have some fun racing, and it shuffles people around. There's the other cone section right there. I think I already said that. Anyways, it is tight right now. All right, nobody, no, stop. No, okay, guys, if you can we watch the braking zones back there, huh? Ow. Okay. Get in there. Get in there. Okay, okay. Okay, we made a pass. We made a non-leader pass. Okay, great. Okay, good. Because we got to get in this rotation here if we want a chance at winning. Ow! All right, I'm in first, so I got to take this leader section here. Oh boy, wait, it's a little more punishing. Okay, good. Okay, good. There was enough of a gap that I was able to file back in, but that could have been bad. I could have lost a lot of positions there. Okay, it's a good thing they put that tape on the ground so we understand how much cart space to leave people who are coming out of the leader section. That's a smart idea. Oh boy, I have no traction on this sucker. Wow. Ooh, baby, okay. Let's file on in. Come on, Dennis. I'm leaving you space there, bud. Ow. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh man, I don't like taking this one here. This one's kind of brutal. It puts you right on the outside when everyone has like full speed. Okay, we're sending it right back on the middle there. We're sending it right there. We gotta get back in. Oh, Dave. Okay, okay. Honestly, both cone sections are pretty brutal. They're both pretty brutal. Okay, get in there, bud. Give me a checkered. Give it to me. Come on, bud. Okay, you're not even thinking about waving that checkered flag. Get back in, okay. I think I'm getting a little lucky because the pack is so disconnected that I'm only coming back into third place there, because it could be a lot worse. Unbelievable. Good race, good race.